What's up, y'all? This is Derek coming to you from the future. Just want to let you know, I've been super lazy on editing videos lately. The one you're about to see is, I think, about 2 months old as far as when it was filmed. I do have, I think, 4 or 5 videos coming up. Just want to let you know they're super old. I don't know where I'm going with this. I do hope to have some newer, better stuff coming up. I'm going to try and get these out as quick as possible so I can catch back up. I got really lazy for a while. The schedule's all screwed up, but you'll see a bunch of new updates with Scoob and the ST coming here in a while. Enjoy the video. This was a car show from, I think, early March that I went to. Didn't really film an intro for it. It's kind of weird, but enjoy. Car show. This is the ultimate Miata. About to drag race some drones.
Don't fucking crash. You better duck. Okay. Yeah, just duck. You gotta duck, bro. I did duck.
What are you doing? What? I have no idea what just happened.
Yeah, wait, what happened to the race? Get the cops called out for flying fucking drones.
We are kind of close to the airport.
Yeah, just a little bit. It kind of gave me a warning, like, you're responsible for everything that happens.
You say go, duck. I'm trying to win this thing. Ready? Why'd you go up, bro? Why'd you go up? I totally beat you.
Yeah.
Got the racer flyby. Saw this. Alright, we had drone versus drone, and now we're about to do drone versus Ford Focus.
Go! Oh yeah, I fucking whooped his ass.
Yeah, drone won. Fairly expected result, the drone won.
Yeah, the expected result.
That's a surprising fact. The faster vehicle won.
Dude, I applaud you, bro. I left you at the line, man.
Gave you too much, now I'm swallowed. Now I'm the fool while you're breaking rules. Dangerous path that I follow. Oh, go on, just do what you do. As I bleed for you, cry for you. Let me bleed.
this car on a road trip like that again, with this motor anyway. And I'm grabbing the ST and I'm heading off. So, I'll update you once I get there, I guess. I should mention the correlation between that show being lame and me going to Salt Lake is that there's supposed to be a massive show in Salt Lake tonight. So, I figure it might make good content, better than like a Miata and a V6 Mustang and whatever else was featured. So, yeah. If you're new to the channel, my name's Derek. I like cars, and I make really fucking stupid decisions sometimes, like right now. I'm about to take the ST, drive 5.5 hours to Salt Lake. Let's get it.
A few moments later.
Okay, made it to Utah. Who that boy?
Saw dude.
Who him is?
Saw dude.
I saw. Welcome to the vlog.
Hi.
Who are you?
I have no idea. Same.
So we got Aria with a bike rack now. We got this WRX Swap GC. Yes, bitch. And we got blue. It's lit. Time to go to a meet. Unfortunately, we got to Salt Lake and in pretty much the worst vlogging weather possible. It's pouring rain, but we got a H6 and it's a good time. And the ST made it because new car. This is the ultimate Miata.
Perfect.
Holy shit.
The wing is at the fucking windscreen deflect angle.
Supreme.
The windscreen pushes the air.
Supreme. Best looking NC I've ever seen in my life.
You completely 100%, yes.
Yeah. Can you tell us about this built-ass Sonata right here?
It's not Sonata, mate. Stinger TT.
Is it?
400 horsepower,
Wow!
3 turbos,
Wow!
plus cylinder,
Wow!
1,700 foot-pounds of torque.
Oh, and they
One
changed the
RPM.
badging to make it more KDM, bro.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Illusions, Vegas.
Is he planning on flying with this thing?
Rusties. The bottom bumper sticker, that's great. Oh, it's Julia.
No, it does not.
It is Julia.
Cole's GC.
Gatorade bottle.
Well, I think the correct term is GM6.
I think so.
Something like that. Gatorad.
Yeah, 2.0 swap, I think.
WRX EJ205. We got a Shirls and a Shirls Mobile.
Porsche noises.
Porsche noises. That's all you need to know. We got some Losers Fiesta. Wait, shit, that's me. And when I pulled up, I actually managed to summon the rest of the ST squad because everyone parked here after I did. So that's a good time. Fiesta, fiesta, fiesta. It's a party up in here. Got a nice looking Legacy GT.
Turbo one.
Ooh, slow ball. Hand.
Neon.
Oh. Heck. Neon. And also neons.
Las Vegas Camaros.
Why though? Why though? Alright, it's the next day. It got too dark to film stuff. And yeah, this is the end of the vlog. Gonna say goodbye to Randall yet again.
I will see you eventually.
He finally put out a video on his channel, so link in bio.
10 out of 10, they're like 10 seconds long, just watch them.
So, with that, if you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, consider subscribing, consider sharing with your friends.
Thumbs up for Flat 6 Wagon.
Yes, thumbs up for Aria, thumbs up for the ST making it.
Actually, no, you make another account, and okay, so with the first account, you thumbs up for this one. With the second account, you thumbs up for that one.
There you go.
2 accounts.
Except
Send
people
it.
hate Ford, so no one's gonna do that.
Oh, true.
So-
I'll say it's Subaru, but Vintage,
only
bro.
Evo guys.
vintage.
Alright, well, with that, thanks very much for watching. Take care. Have a great day.